Hi, welcome Priya. In today's ethnic wear, we are going to see maxi dresses collections, how I styled it, and the jewelry which I paired with it. These are all cotton dresses, so the suitable climate is summer. The first one is a purple and pink color maxi dress, which has a belt to define the waist, which is the best thing I've had. It has a print with heart and a floral print pattern. I paired this dress with pink color ear jewelry and no jewelry at neck as the neck is quite short. I purchased this dress or bought this dress online and it came up with small sleeves which I didn't attach. I just wore it as a sleeveless. I prefer keeping no hairs open as it won't be visible as the dress is dark in color. I wear this maxi dress only on special occasions and outside as this dress is quite heavy. The next one is a grey colored A-line maxi dress which has long sleeves and I bought it from a local store. I paired this dress with open hairs, grey color earrings or big grey ear jewelry. I keep my hairs open as it will be visible on this. I pair it with no neck jewelry as it has a open standing collar. It has a front pocket which is useful for keeping smaller items. If you do have similar kind of dresses, maxi dresses which are in cotton, these are very useful as these are easy breezy, easy to carry and good for summer season. I pair it with the hand jewelry as hands and palm portion is open. The next one is a pink and black colored flared dress. Pink earrings or pink statement and jewelry looks good on this dress. I avoid keeping hairs open as anyway it won't be visible. Here I am sharing the print which it is Bani print. I use this dress because it is light in weight. I use it at home as much as possible. This is not as beautiful as the previous two, grey and purple color, but it still can be used at home as it is light in weight, easy to carry and good at home. If you do have similar dresses, decide on which one looks more beautiful, which is heavy, both are printed, both are bought from the same online site, both came up with small sleeves, both have a belt to define the waist, both are in the same pattern flared, but yet one can be used outside and one at home. Why? Because the purple one is much beautiful, much heavier than the pink one. Pink one is light, not that beautiful, but is that useful to use at home. Similarly, you can decide which one you can use at home and which one outside. In case if you are using at home, do buy or pair up with light jewelry compared to one which you will be using out. Buy a brighter, heavier and attractive jewelry for outside. I mean for special occasion wear. This is a maroon color flared dress which I paired up with dupatta, a red bag, red jewelry, silver jewelry, and I used it as many times before the top portion of the dress tore out. Then I recreated it or reused it as a skirt which I'll be sharing in the end, and I used it with a top, old top. These two look good and I paired up with the red statement jewelry on the neck. Even if you have a similar kind of flared dress, maxi dress you can pair it, you can reuse it the same way by recreating the topmost portion as a blouse and the lowermost portion as a skirt or a palazzo or garara, whichever convenient for you. You can use an old t-shirt, top or a shirt to pair it up with that skirt or garara. I used it with my old kurta. I'll be sharing that. I've shared that in the view. I've created a video on it. Please do check out the link below in the description box. Share, comment and subscribe my video as I'm working really hard